What effect has the COVID-19 pandemic had on the usage of IoT connectivity?
It's really interesting. Research suggests that something like 31% of production processes leverage smart devices one way or another. COVID-19 and the pandemic and how we all found ourselves working has helped change the way we think about what a workplace looks like. And that's not just about people sitting behind desks, but it's also about automation and things happening without people having to be there to watch them, to make sure they're going well, to make sure they're being done right, and so on. So IoT connectivity, as both the technology itself of sensors that can be embedded inside equipment or inside raw materials and finished goods and so forth, as that technology has become more and more common, it's become cheaper, it's become more reliable, and there's a little bit of a virtuous circle there, right? But that generally just means it's far more accessible than it was. And as it's entered more mainstream thinking, in the same way that employers have come to understand that we don't have to constantly watch our people to know that our people are working, because we've had so many of our people working from home, for example, and yet productivity generally went up. In that same way, the IoT allows us to have machines that don't necessarily have to have people watching them, to make sure that they're operating as efficiently as they can, to make sure that they're producing the quality of what we want them to do, and to not therefore have to invest in people to do that.